We have studied space for many years. We know space more than our oceans. Elisa V. Quintana is a scientist working with SETI Institute in NASA Ames Research Center. She has found many different planets in and out of the Milky Way. For one planet, she noticed something. This planet is called Kepler 186f. She has a theory that this planet may be habitable for life. She thinks this because it is located directly in the middle of the habitable zone of its star. Kepler isn't the only planet located in its star's orbit. There are 5 others: Kepler 186b, Kepler 186c, Kepler 186d, Kepler 186, and E. Discoveries like this may soon prove that we are not the only planet where there are other species. Kepler 186f, as I already said, to be habitable for life. Scientists have thought of that because there are signs of oceans on its surface. University of California, Berkeley, Geoff Marcy told Space.com, this is a historical event and of the first truly Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone around its star. The Kepler Space Telescope has shown that this planet is very rocky on its surface. Since April 7, 2014, we have been researching Kepler 186f, finding this planet and where it goes along with the theory that there's another species somewhere out there. Scientists have found planets in the habitable zone of its star, but they have always been much larger than Earth. But Kepler 186f is only 10% larger. Kepler's sun is called 186f. It is known to be a red dwarf. It is much cooler and smaller than our sun. If we want to go to this habitable planet, we need better and stronger technology. Kepler 186f is 490 light years away from Earth. We either need to find another material to fuel the spaceship, or we need to use the technology we have and reproduce on the ship while going to the planet. Scientists at NASA are saying that if we gain tons of chemical fuels, that we can go to Mars, our neighbor planet. What I say is that not if, but when we get the right amount of fuel, we can put life on a new planet. There also was a study that we can use salt water from our oceans as fuel for cars, or even spaceships. We wouldn't have to worry about population increasing. We would want population to increase. Also, when we get to the right technology, we could try and find even more planets like Earth. Kepler 186b, C, D, and E are all uninhabitable for life because they aren't in the habitable zone. Some of the planets are too hot, but most of the planets are too cold. It's how far they are away from their sun. And that concludes how I believe that we can put life on this planet.